Hi everyone, I'll be presenting the solutions of 2023 Fermat Part C. So first, let's get started with question 21. The integers 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, and 13 are to be placed in the circles and squares below with one number in each shape. Each integer must be used exactly once, and the integer in each circle must be equal to the sum of the integers in the two neighboring squares. If the integer x is placed in the leftmost square and the integer y is placed in the rightmost square, what is the largest possible value of x plus y? In order to maximize x plus y, we have to maximize a and b, so that which makes x and y the biggest number as possible. So this question is relatively basic, so we can just insert the numbers into the squares and circles. So a possible solution that can maximize x plus y can be 11, 13, 2, 6, 4, 5, 1, 10, and 9 from left to right. So the maximized value of x plus y is 11 plus 9, which is 20. Now let's head into question 22. If x and y are positive real numbers with 1 over x plus y equals to 1 over x minus 1 over y, what is the value of bracket x over y plus y over x bracket square? First, by the given condition, we can get that y squared minus x squared is equal to x times y. And also, it's not hard to see that y over x plus x over y squared is equal to y squared over x squared plus x squared over y squared plus 2. After a few times of substitution and combining the two expressions, we can get that 2 plus xy over xy plus 2 is equal to the answer, which is 5. Now we have question 23. For each positive integer n, define Sn to equal the sum of the digits of n. For example, as 2023 is equal to 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 3. The number of integers n within range 199 and Sn was in range 7 and 11 in S. What is the integer formed by the rightmost two digits of S? This question is a typical counting question. So first, we can let n to be equal to a, b, c, where a is in range of 1 and 9, b in 0 and 9, as well as c. So we can let b, like big B, equals to small b minus 1, and big C equals to small c minus 1. So first we have 7 is smaller than a plus b plus c, and smaller or equal to 11. And now we have 9 is smaller or equal to a plus big B plus big C is smaller or equal to 13. Thus, there are 9 choose 2, plus 10 choose 2, plus 11 choose 2, plus 12 choose 2, plus 13 choose 2 solutions of A, big B, and big C. But in this case, big B and big C can be 10, which is impossible in base 10. So we need to exclude those numbers. Lastly, we get S is equal to 224. For now, let's go over question 24. Quadrilateral ABCD has angle BCD equals to angle DAB equals to 90 degrees. The perimeter of ABCD is 224 and its area is 2205. One side of ABCD has length 7. The remaining 3 sides have integer length. The sum of the squares of the side lengths of ABCD is S. What is the integer formed by the rightmost 2 digits of S? First of all, because of the fact that angle BCD is equals to angle DAB equals to 90 degrees, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral because angle BCD and angle DAB are opposite angles and they add up to 180 degrees. So ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So we can apply the area formula for cyclic quadrilateral, which is A is equals to square root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, and S minus D, where S is equals to the half of the perimeter. Thus we have 2205 squared is equal to 112 minus 7 times 112 minus B times 112 minus C and times 112 minus D. So that 46305 is equals to 112 minus B, 112 minus C, and times 112 minus D. And we can check prime factors of 46305 so that we can get B is equals to 49, C equals to 77, and D is equals to 91. Finally, we can get the answer, which is 7 squared plus 49 squared plus 77 squared plus 91 squared mod 100, which is equivalent to 60. Lastly, we have question 25. A cube has edge length 4 meters. One end of a rope of length 5 meters is anchored to the center of the top face of the cube. The area of the surface of the cube that can be reached by the other end of the rope is 8 meters squared. What is the integer formed by the rightmost 2 digits of the integer closer to 100a? The first thing we can do with this question is to transfer the diagram into 2 dimensions, which you can see on the left of your screen. And you can plot it on the coordinate system so that it's easier to solve. I used calculus for this question. Integral from -2 to 2 square root 5 squared minus x squared dx is representing the area between the circle and x-axis in the range of -2 and 2. And we can see there's 4 same type of area in the diagram, so we times this by 4. Because the square at the center is double counted, so we have to minus 16, which is the area of the center square. The question is asking for the nearest integer to 100a, so we times a by 100, and we see that the rightmost 2 digits of 100a is 81. Thank you for watching this video.